Welcome to all. Here I discuss what is call by value and what is call by reference and difference between call by value and call by reference. Okay. So first I used a program that is swapping to value. Okay. So how to swap to value using call by value and how to swap to value in call by reference. I demonstrate it. Okay. So now fast. At first we declare to prototype function prototype, that is swap CV and swap RF. Swap CV function swap the value using call by value, and the swap function RF referred to as a call by reference. Okay. So, now what is prototype? Prototype declare the signature of the function, that what to return the function, that is these two function also return void, that means no return is needed, and there is it is the what type of input is used, that is first used int, and the call by reference swap function is used in star, that means pointer variable. Okay. So now it comes to the program, that is a equals to 100 and b equals to 200 as I assign. Okay. I give some more printf to understand the logic or the concept of and the difference between call by value and call by reference. Okay. So you can see first I print the value of the address of the variable a and b, and next I printed the um, value of a and b. Next I call the function swap cv a comma b, and print the value after the swapping, what is the value a and b, and what is the address of a and b. And next we call swap rf, and you can see that when we call by value, then we singly put the variable, that is a and b, but when we call the call by reference function, so we put the ampersand a and ampersand b. You can know ampersand is the operator to address a variable. So we send some address in this calling function, that is address of a and address of b, and also we can print the value of ab and address of ab. Okay. Next there is the function, that is the function of call by value. This call by value, why it is call by value, because we send some value of a and b, and it's stored into x and y, and then we interchange x and y using help of z. Z is a local variable of this function, so z help that first we put x value to z, and next x is x store his value. So if x forgot his value, this is not a problem, so we assign x equals to y, that means y put your his value on x, and next also, sorry, here is some printing mistake, that is y equals to z, that means we also put the z value, that z value holding the previous x value, so this value is also put on the y, so x and y become interchange their value. And after that, what is the value of x and y and what is the value address of x and y, we can print. Okay. And in the next function, that is called by reference, here we get some address, that address of a and address of b is put on x variable and y variable. So x is a pointer variable and y is also another pointer variable, that point to a, and x point to a and y point to b. Okay. And also z is a local variable of swap rf function. And z not need to z as a pointer, because z is a temporary variable that helps to swap to function. So first we print what comes is the data of star x and star y, and what is the address of x and y. And next we interchange x and y, that is here also y, that is z equals to, first copy the star x, that means x hold the address of a, and the value of a is stored in z, and next star x equals to star y, that means to the y assign their value in x, and next y is now comes to the holding the value of previous x, that is y star y equals to z. Okay, and now I print this value of AB, and that means star x and star y, and also the address of star x and star y. So if we run this program, so you can easily understand what is the difference between call by value and call by reference. Okay, so now first we compile the program. Now we run the program. Okay, now there is lots of printf, so there is lots of value, but you can understand very easily that at the first in the main, a address of is something, last digit is cao, and sorry ca 0, and b is content caf something, and the value of a and b remain unchanged, that is we also assign a equals to 100 and b equals to 200. And the next printf, that is swapping using call by value, that means this function when it gets to this function, what happened before swapping, that means before swapping x is now holding 100 and y is now holding 200. Okay, and and before swapping the address of x and y, that is address of a is now something bc2 7c, that is difference in the address of a in main, and is difference in address in swap cv function, the address of a is different, you can see, and the b also different in main, b's address is something else, and but the in swap value the b address is something else. Okay, now we swap this value. After the swapping we get the value, after swapping we get that a, after swapping a is 200 and b is 100. Now after swapping we get that a is 200 and b is 100. Okay, and after swapping the address of when the a is putting on the swap cv function, the address is what, and the b address is what, this address is same, but the value is interchange only in between a and b. Okay, now next part, that is swapping using call by address, that means or sometimes it is called call by reference, because we could not interchange the value, we interchange the, we pass the address. Okay, so at first you can see that the value of x and y is same, a equals to 100 and b equals to 200. Okay, and the address of the a and b is, you can see some value is assigned, address is assigned a and b, but not equal to the address which is or previously hold in main, the address is not same. Okay, but after swapping a equals to 200 and b equals to 100. Okay, and after swapping acha, okay, I skip this part, that in main after call by value, the swap CV function is called. Then when we come back to the main function, there is also two printf statement, that we can see that the effect is not if effect is not seen in the main, that a and b is remain unchanged, e is 100 and b is 200. Only interchange is happening in the function of CV swap CV function. Okay, only a and b is interchange their value in the swap CV function, but it not effect in the main function. In main function, a b is still a is 100, b is 200. But when we call the swap rf function, when we call the swap rf function, we can see that after swapping a equals to 200, b equals to 100, if we come back to the main function, that is this part, in the main after calling swap, we can see that in the a is 200 and b is 100. That means this effect is seen in the main function also. The value of a and b is also changed in main. In main after calling swap, that the a and b address is some different, but the value is also changed in the main function. So we can very easily understand that in the call by value, if we interchange some value or any operation is done in the function, it is not effect in the main function. But if we use as a call by reference, if any function is done any operation or anything, it effect on the main program. It is the main difference between call by value and call by reference. Okay, thank you. So you can practice more.